Alcohol marker tips, plus Gojo Satoru drawing. From the name itself, alcohol markers contain alcohol ink and they have intense color, which makes them easily bleed through paper, so it's always best to use heavier marker paper cardstock or watercolor paper. It's advisable to use 200 GSM. You may find the link of the paper I used on the description of this video. It's advisable to use the right pen for tracing, such as Unipin micro pen or waterproof pen, because using the wrong tracing pen and not letting the outline dry will damage your artwork quality as it makes mudgy outline. In my case, I use waterproof pen since I also use watercolor medium. You may find the link of where I bought it in the description box. Since they are super easy to blend and shade, applying alcohol markers colors in specific ways can make a big difference in your finished work. To effectively create a realistic effect, you should apply your lightest colors first. It's much easier to add layers of color on top of the existing color to darken and add contrast, rather than to lighten up darker areas that have already dried. By layering light colors beneath dark colors, it's easier to blend and create gradient effects. By the way, I also made a Touch 5 alcohol marker review. You can click the card in the video if you want to learn more about alcohol markers. You may find the link of the alcohol markers too used on the description box. For our last tip, break the rules. As an artist, we often found ourselves tapping inspirations from other artists, our own experiences, and environment. Having these 3 tips will keep your artwork quality great, but if you want to explore something new and create out of the box, then you should try this tip. I would really love to see you artworks after applying these tips. Be sure to comment that on the comment section so I can see it. I'm so excited for that, guys. Just a quick background to our drawing for today. Satoru Gojo is one of the main protagonists of the Jujutsu Kaisen anime series. Gojo is a special grade Jujutsu sorcerer and widely recognized as the strongest in the world. He is the pride of the Gojo family because of he first person to inherit both the Limitless and the 6 Eyes in 400 years. Since he has excellent control over his cursed energy, he is capable of activating his domain in a split second, use reverse cursed techniques, and even combines positive and negative cursed energy. As a result, also he was able to use a domain expansion multiple times per day. In contrast, most sorcerers can only use it once. And here, it is our Gojo Satoru drawing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Engineer Artist. Thank you till next time.